Hello guys, welcome back to Lanap. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to fix RLB not charging. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So there's a few things that you can do here to probably solve this issue. So the first thing that you could do here is to make sure that your electric toothbrush here or RLB here is properly placed or is clean. So first things first, you want to get your RLB toothbrush here, and you want to make sure that the contact point for your toothbrush is actually clean. Now, if the contact point is pretty dirty, it might hinder you from charging your toothbrush. Now, in this case, again, just make sure your toothbrush here is clean. So where you have it charged or charging, make sure it's properly clean. Now, also another thing that you might want to consider doing here is to basically you're not charging your toothbrush in a metal surface. Now, if it is actually in a metal surface, it might disrupt the charging here. So in this case, maybe place it somewhere else, like maybe in a counter that is not metallic. So just not anything but metallic here, and try charging it and see if that solves your issue. Now, another thing you want to make sure here is it has enough charge. So if you just start, if for example you haven't charging this, make sure to charge this. Obviously, this is the first thing that you need to do here. So make sure you have it charged. So at least like leave it like 3 hours, then try using it again and see if that solves the issue. Now, if none of those work, it most likely means, especially if your device or ROB here is pretty old, it means that the charger or the battery itself might be faulty. Since in this case, there are going to be some wear and tear on devices that we have here. So again, if it's pretty old, it's most probably the problem most likely is the battery or the charger itself. So in this case, you might want to request a repair service for your toothbrush. So what you need to do is you need to go to ROB's or official website here, and you can go ahead and click on the option that says repair service at the very top here. So just give me D here. I'm going to show you this section here. So you have the repair service. Go ahead and click on it. It should redirect you to our page here, which in this case, you just need to enter the following details. So in this case, you could enter your digit type number of your product. You could actually see it at the bottom of your electric toothbrush here. So in this case, you could also enter your product from list here. So you could choose toothbrush and what type of toothbrush. We have Advanced Power Kids, IO, Pro Battery, and a lot more. So in this case, you just choose that, click on next here, and it will guide you on the steps, or in this case, the things that you can do here to probably solve your issue. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Yelan app. Thank you for watching.